Good morning from Oslo. This is our last morning here. We're up very early, much earlier than normal, because we have to catch a very early train to Bergen. The train is supposed to be one of the most beautiful in the world, so we're excited to ride on it today, but it is earlier than we normally wake up. How we doing?
It's bad.
Early morning smoothie and prosciutto. We're in first class today, so we get an espresso machine, a little coffee station, and a nice little seating area. We're living in luxury today. We get 3 seconds of looking at the scenery before it goes black to a tunnel again. So this will probably just be a compilation of a lot of different chopped up, small little 2-second clips.
We made it to Bergen!
After 7 hours, we finally arrived to Bergen, and we're getting a rental car currently. This is like one of the only days that it's not supposed to rain, so we might have to take advantage of that while we can. We're driving through the Shire. It's an enchanted little forest here in Norway.
So anything we need to know?
We just got done kayaking on the sea kayaks. It was a little bit of a not good experience. I think we didn't have the rudder correct or something. I don't know. It was super unstable and
Couldn't really turn
very well, but I think it's user error. Anyway,
We are headed to go get dinner.
down in Bergen Central City, so excited for that.
We made it inside where it's warm.
There's this place called Egon that their taxi driver, my parents' taxi driver, recommended when they were driving from Oslo Airport into the Oslo Airbnb, and they have one in Bergen too, so we're stopping here. It's a humongous menu, and we're excited to try it. Italian, she got lasagna. We have Chinese from the chicken wok. We have American with the chicken breast, and we have Mexican with the fajitas.
We got it all.
We're waddling out of the dinner place. Way too much food. But now
It's delicious.
That's really good. Now we're walking down to Bergen. I don't know. It's the old city center with the wooden houses. It used to be the center of the Hanseatic League. They're killing the whale. The lady's serving the whale. He's wearing goggles, and he is Abraham Lincoln. These are huge crabs. They look like dinosaurs or something.
Like the biggest crabs I've ever seen in my life. That's so scary.
We're walking through Torget right now, which is the central fish market.
And there are lots of fish. Very large fish.
Every kind of fish you can think of. Huge crabs. Oh my gosh.
Whale burgers.
Viking moose meat.
Very interesting.
We love it. You look like a munchkin.
That look cute.
Like a munchkin. We're getting the prime seats, baby.
We are on the funicular.
This takes us up to the Floyen mountain, which is one of the city mountains around the town of Bergen. Also probably the most popular. So I think there's a bunch of things to do at the top as well. When the North Pole is closer than New York, an island is closer than the North Pole.
Have a nice poop.
We found the land of the goats.
Are they friendly?
Yeah. They're just chilling. Free range goats.
We like to pet the goat.
You like goats?
I do like goats. Very much.
Meh.
Elena being our local photographer.
I gotta get the aesthetic pics of the goats. Look how much this one poops. Do you poop a lot?
Number one. What you doing there? This is the little known secret of the top of Floyen. It's called Tuba Cuba. If you can find it, you win a prize.
I'm scared. There's a key in it though, so maybe if I... Hello?
Hello?
Oh, hello, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I knocked. And then, why don't they take the key out of it? Because there's a literal key in the door. So I unlocked it with the key that was in the door. And there's a guy there. And he was like, be quiet. We have children, they're sleeping in here. But I saw inside and it's so pretty. There's like a whole glass window all on the front. And it looks out onto the mountains in the town. It's very pretty.
So cool. This is incredible.
The views are so pretty.
And there's goats and enchanted forests and secret houses and...
That we broke into.
Definitely not underrated. If you come to Bergen, definitely come up to Floyen because it's not one of the classic funicular rides. Really, really cool. And that's our last stop for today.
Well, first we're gonna go to the grocery store and then we're gonna head back to the Airbnb so we can get some food for breakfast tomorrow.
Yes, and we're also gonna get some very nice sleep tonight. We've had a long day, but Bergen is so awesome. So awesome. Definitely worth coming here for a whole few days. We're excited for what else we're gonna find. Stay tuned!